Today, I have a Dodge Challenger, and I'm going to show you how to open the gas cap and the fuel door so you can add gas or fuel or petrol or whatever you want to call it to your Dodge Challenger. All right, you're going to need to know this in order to get going, or else you're going to be stuck on the side of the road. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way along the duration of the video, can you please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of Dodge Challenger. In order to open up the fuel door and the gas cap, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure the vehicle is in park, turn the engine off, unlock your doors. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock it, and then get outside of the vehicle. All right, so once you're outside of the vehicle, you're going to walk towards the back of the vehicle, and you see this right here. This right here is where the gas cap is located underneath the fuel door. In order to open up the fuel door, you just simply come up here and pull on that like that, and then all of a sudden you are inside of here. And this is where the gas cap, and you can read the instructions on here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to twist it, and it pops off, and then I'm able to fuel up my vehicle. All right, then when I'm done, I just simply place it back into place, tighten to click, that's the instruction that they're saying, and close this. All right, now with that being said, it's important that you read your owner's manual so you know exactly how to open up the gas cap and fuel door on your specific Dodge Challenger. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.